disgusting. Thank you, kitty toilet. Thank you. Well, I'm gonna go eat now. I love turkey. Turkey's really good. It's my favorite.
Looks like Pop just pooped. That's cool. Achoo! Oh, I hate sneezes. Well, I'm gonna go eat some food, maybe. Well, what can I do? Well, I'm just gonna go play with my brain.
Oh man, I need to poop. I had some really bad Taco Bell. What the heck? What is that? What the heck is that? Huh? What? Huh? Why is this shirt unbuttoned? And why is he in my toilet? Hello, sir. This is Pops. And what are you doing in my house? In my toilet? Well, since I ate Taco Bell, I had a Dingleberry. So, I'll call you the Dingleberry. No. Donald the Dingleberry. That's a perfect name. Perfect.
I like that name. Donald the Dingleberry. My name is Donald the Dingleberry. Got the nieces?
No, go fish.
Oh man, really? Why do I always have to draw?
Well, since I beat you in Go Fish, where do you want to play now?
Let's play Patty Cake.
Yeah, I love patty cake. Patty cake. This is getting boring. What do you want to play now?
Let's play the Ultimate.
Is that an eating contest game? I want to play that. Let me eat this.
Let me get in some of this.
How about we play a farting contest?
Oh yeah, that'd be fun. Let's do that.
There we go. I did it. I win. Loser.
Don't call me a loser.
How about we do a fidget spinner contest? That'll be good. Yeah, you'll have this trash one that only spins for about 40 seconds, and I'll have this one that spins for 2 minutes. How about that? That sounds good, right?
Yeah, that'll be fun. Let me see the fidget spinner.
There you go.
Oh!
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, spin. I win. Loser. You're a loser. Trash for dinner.
Nice with every game. I'm going to go fight now. Nah.